All right, so why should I give her the minimum?
Right from the start, the judge asks a question that could determine everything. In probation violation hearings, the court isn't just deciding whether rules were broken. They're deciding whether the defendant deserves another chance or a prison sentence. So the real question here is simple. Has Vanessa Thatcher done anything to earn leniency?
What has she done since she's been on probation?
American Justice Files.
Calling 2020 CR 5475, State of Texas versus Vanessa Thatcher. Now parties announced for the record for the state.
Marcus Sanders.
For the defense.
Tony Hernandez.
Are you Ms. Thatcher? Show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Vanessa Thatcher who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 5475 for the offense of robbery on October 22nd, 2020 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
This is a huge moment legally. By pleading true, Thatcher is admitting she violated probation. And in Texas, once that admission is on record, the judge has the authority to revoke probation immediately and impose the original sentence, which in this case could be up to 4 years in prison.
All right, state.
Condition number 5, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Vanessa Thatcher did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2021 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Condition number 40, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Vanessa Thatcher did then and there fail to comply with a zero tolerance condition with regards to your analysis in violation of condition number. Actually, sorry, Judge, I'll waive that one because it's written incorrectly. So we'll waive the others.
All right, any objection to the state's waivers?
No.
Ms. Thatcher, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 4 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Judge, we're asking that you grant the motion, revoke her probation, reform the underlying for 2 years, and sentence her to 2 years.
All right, so why should I give her the minimum? What has she done since she's been on probation?
She did the first about 8 months without much of a problem.
Okay, I can't, is everybody whispering?
Yes.
All right, so everyone will have to speak up because I need to hear, and most importantly, Brenda needs to hear.
Now the defense shifts strategy. They're no longer disputing the violation. Instead, they're asking the judge to consider the human side of the story. According to the defense, Thatcher lost her mother and has no remaining family support. But in probation cases, judges often face a tough balance: compassion versus accountability.
Judge, I believe she was granted probation in October of 2020. She did the first 8 months, didn't seem to be much of a problem. The first MTR was filed in, I believe, June of 2021. She was altered and amended after that for ISP. There's problems since that. She had some problems reporting because her mother passed away in March. I think that's the end of her family. After that, she has no father, no brothers, no sisters. It's just her. On her own. She took that rather hard. She has no extended family, no immediate family. She's the end of the line.
All right, I'll sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine, time and money are to run concurrent. And Ms. Thatcher, I'm sorry, you're asking the court to follow the agreement that you've reached?
Mm-hmm.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Mm-hmm.
All right, then the court will follow your agreement. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
In the end, the judge follows the plea agreement: 2 years in prison and a $1,000 fine. But what stands out is the judge's final message, a reminder that behind every case file is a personal story. The court delivered punishment, but also a warning about the path ahead. What do you think? Should the judge have shown more leniency, or was this the right call? Let me know in the comments.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to discuss that with an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Thatcher, people always say you come into the world alone, you go out in the world alone. Here's the thing. I understand about loss, but you need to start doing what you can to honor, your relatives who've passed, because they don't want you to be unhappy and they don't want you to be in prison. You understand? All right, good luck to you, Ms. Thatcher.
May I be excused